Welcome to day 4 of workout 4.1. So today we're going to look at 2 workouts. The first one we're going to look at is workout C, which is the bottom section of this sheet here. Okay, so in workout C, we really are thinking about practicing our formal written method for multiplication. So we're thinking about how we're going to set that out. So for example, if I just do a similar one to ones we've got here, if I did 132 multiplied by 3, then we're thinking of 132 multiplied by 3. So we're doing our 2 lines here so we can do any regrouping underneath. All right, so we can just multiply now. 2 3s are 6. We'll write our answer in the ones column. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. No regrouping with that one. That was really nice, straightforward one. Let's have a look what happens when we need to regroup, just as a quick reminder. So if I had 243 multiplied by 4, so I'm going to 4 3s are 12. 12 is made up of 1 10 and 2 1s. So my 10 is regrouped into the tens column, remember? 4 4s are 16 and 1 is 17. So again, I'm regrouping with my 17 and putting it into the next column. 2 4s are 8 and 1 is 9, so 972. Formal written method, have a practice of these, come back and check your answers, and then we'll look at some worded problems. These are the answers to those calculations. Just check yours against mine. If you've got any that you haven't got right, have a little look, see what went wrong. It might have been the regrouping, because hopefully you're getting quite good at your multiplication tables now, because you could be practicing those with that hit the button activity, practicing them daily really, okay? So now let's have a look at the worded problems. So you've got 5 problems here in a context. Be careful, they're not all multiplication. Right, so you might want to think about what sort of jotting helps you make sense of the problem. Okay, so thinking about, is it a multiplication, is it division, is it addition, how do you know? So here Colin is planting bulbs. He plants 36 bulbs in each pot. Okay, so you might think of that idea of, okay, so here's a pot. I'm drawing a rectangle to represent a pot, and he would plant 36 bulbs in one pot. So therefore, if I had 2 pots, what's going to happen? And so on. I might not want to draw it all, but I am repeatedly adding 36, aren't I? So if I'm repeatedly adding something, it's the same as multiplying. That's what your tables are, aren't they? Repeatedly adding 7, for example. Okay, so maybe do jotting a representation of some sort for the problem first before you then do the calculation. All right. Then down the bottom here it says create your own problems for 124 multiplied by 6. So you might want to use one of our contexts to write a problem for that, or have a look around you, think about what you like doing. Is there some situation that you could create where you'd multiply 124 by 6 for a solution? See if you can write a few. Off you go.